Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Are you surrounded by colleagues but craving deeper connections? Do you find yourself wishing for more meaningful interactions at work? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced work environment, turning coworkers into friends can seem a bit tricky, but it's totally doable. First up, acknowledge them. A simple acknowledgement can go a long way in breaking the ice. A small gesture can make a big difference. It could be as simple as a smile or a thumbs up. After a meeting, shoot them a message like, "Hey, thanks for asking that question during the meeting. I was curious about the same thing but was too nervous to ask." This shows that you were paying attention and that you value their input. Trust me, it works wonders. Next, highlight similarities. Finding common ground is a powerful way to build rapport. Did you know that research suggests we naturally gravitate towards those we perceive as similar? It's true. We feel more comfortable and connected with people who share our interests and values. Find common ground with a colleague. Maybe you both love the same TV show or have a shared hobby. This can be a great conversation starter and a way to bond over mutual interests. Use that as your foundation. Building on shared interests can create a strong and lasting connection. Now let's talk about creating rituals. Establishing regular check-ins or activities can really strengthen your bond. Establishing a recurring check-in can really strengthen your bond. It could be a weekly coffee break or a regular lunch date. Discuss a shared TV show or book. Maybe even set a weekly coffee break. It's all about consistency. Verbal affirmation is key. Regular interactions help build trust and familiarity. Express appreciation for their presence. A little gratitude can go a long way in making someone feel valued. Saying something like, "It's so nice meeting someone who appreciates insert interest here as much as I do," can make someone's day and deepen your connection. Compliments and positive affirmations can strengthen your bond. And don't forget to take it outside. Changing the environment can help transition the relationship beyond work. Shifting the social context can really transition the relationship beyond work. Grab lunch, plan an after-work hangout, or even join a local event together. These activities can help you see each other in a different light. Here's a cool stat for you. According to a 2023 Gallup poll, employees who have a best friend at work are 7 times more likely to be engaged in their jobs. Imagine the boost in your productivity and happiness. Having friends at work can make your job more enjoyable and fulfilling. So, are you ready to transform your coworkers into friends? It might take some effort, but the rewards are worth it. Start small, be genuine, and watch your work relationships blossom. Remember, it's all about making those meaningful connections. Take the first step today and see how your work life transforms. For free advice, ask Amelia at One Dreaming Bear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating professional life. See you next time.